Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sirs and gentlemen, before I begin with this presentation, did you know United States Naval War College had conducted research and development on naval warfare since 1884. Therefore, today I would like to propose a research project on where are they now today on naval warfare research and development. The title of this project is Content Analysis in U.S. Naval War College Research and Development by using text mining approach. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next 15 minutes, I would like to present you in 4 topics, which is first introduction, literature review, methodology, and finally the conclusion. You know that the Malaysia had spent a large value of fund on research and development. The graph that I took from Kajian Pembangunan dan Penyelidikan Malaysia showed that the expenditure on R&D increased gradually up to almost 17 million in 2016 and it just decreased in 2018. Nevertheless, it is still a record that the second highest to the date. Other than that, I had conducted pilot research on Scopus database. By using keyword naval and keyword warfare, there are about 4,104 documents. It crossed my mind. In 4,104 documents, how many knowledge are mingling around the Malaysia scholar? It also crossed my mind. The U.S. Naval War College, shown on slide. The oldest institution was founded in 1884 by Rear Admiral Stephen. His leadership and vision lay a solid foundation for more than a century of professional development and research. And it all started with a desire to better educate the fleet. The college continuously evolved to prepare US and also the international navy for the ever-changing politics, economic and social condition of the nation and the world. Under the US Naval War College, there are US Naval War College Digital Command. It provides a variety of reports, publications, books, and journals to assist scholar, military research, and government professionals in digging more in naval warfare knowledge. Also, there are 3 journals had been published by this institution, which are Naval War College Review, International Law Study, and Maritime Operational Center Warfare Journal. I found a large number of research papers, articles, documents that had been uploaded into the US Naval War College Digital Command. Shown on slide is a small portion of the document that I downloaded from US Naval War College Digital Command server. Almost 7,000 files or about 2,000 gigabyte raw data that are saved now in my drive. 3 questions that had been outlined for this study. First is, what is the main research theme and topics that's mingling around the US Naval War College research paper, articles or documents? Second, what are the current research gaps among the US Naval War College research and development? And finally, we want to find what are the future research directions among the US Naval War College research and development. So, to answer that question, we lay out 3 objectives. First objective is to identify the research topic that had been done by US Naval War College. Second objective, to understand the current research gap among US Naval War College domain. And finally, the final objective is we try to estimate the future direction of naval warfare research and development. To conduct this research, we set a scope of study. We are only study on all research papers that have been published in US Naval War College Journal, which are first, Naval War College Review, second, International Law Study, and third, MOC Warfighter, Maritime Operational Center Warfighter Journal. So our study will mingling around these three journals only. However, in order to conduct this study, there are three limitations that have been identified. First is the list of research papers are limited to articles which are free and open access by the journal at US Naval War College Digital Commons. Okay. Second, the research papers are limited in true or digital created PDF only. It is possible to extract text from this type only to obtain the significant topic from each of research paper. So if the research paper are not in true or in digital created PDF, we have a challenge to analyze that topics. Okay, and third is this paper is not evaluate the quality of research paper with the increasing number of page. So we not put that the more page is the better research paper. To achieve the objective of this research, we conduct a few study on research paper in regarding to the trend analysis, tech analytics, and literature review. Among them, you whom are conducting research on understanding the current research topic, challenge, and future direction in blockchain technology. In the same year, Kim and his friend put a big effort to generate pattern development map by using semantic pattern topic analysis. Last year, Rajendran and Pagel conducting tech analytics on customer review on smart device. Other than that, Kim and his friend proposed new topic modeling method to better capture and represent the content of corpus focusing on the blockchain technology. They collect the abstract of paper regarding blockchain and conduct tech data pre-processing. Yu Guam conduct research on automated classification of pattern. The research process are shown on slide. Barnes and his friend conducting tech analytics to understanding panic buying phenomena during the pandemic. Lastly, Asaraye using systematic mapping tool and quantitative literature review on the software engineering principle trending. Systematic mapping study will be used as the research methodology for this study. The goal of the systematic mapping study is to provide an overview of research area. Second, to establish if research evidence exists. Third, to quantify the amount of evidence. So in this study, we'll follow the systematic mapping process described by Asaraye in 2021. So we are choosing the systematic mapping process as our research methodology because our goal is to explore the existing study in US Naval War College research and development. The result of mapping study will help us to identify and develop map research area in US Naval War College research and development. The process for the systematic mapping study consists of 5 process steps and outcome as shown on the slide. Firstly, we identify 3 related questions complete with the research motivation. So research question number 1 is regarding to the main research theme and topics. Research question number 2 is to identify the research gap inside the US Naval War College. By identifying this gap, it will help the researcher to focus field that need more research effort. And finally, research question number 3 is to estimating the way forward in naval research and development. The second stage of a mapping study is to search for all the relevant scientific paper on the research topic. So we will collect all the research paper which are free and open access by US Naval War College Digital Commons. Uh, this paper had been published through three journals, which are first Naval War College Review, second is International Law Study, and third is Maritime Operational Center Fire Warfighter. The third stage of mapping study is to convert all the article into text. The text pre-processing will be conducted. The process will consist of first tokenization, normalization, remove of stop word, remove number, and remove punctuation, so that the text now ready to process and to extract the data from that article. The fourth process is using data extraction using TF-IDF. TF is term frequency, IDF is inverse document frequency. So the document will be processed and weighted word vector. So by using vector space representation, the TF-IDF will calculate the frequency of occurrence of the term in corpus, and then if the term is found in many documents, it will consider less important. Final phase is about how we visualize the data that we have. So there are three ideas. First, which is we portray by using word cloud and plot chart or by dot chart. So now, sirs and gentlemen, we at the end of my presentation. I hope that the National Defence University of Malaysia communities accept my research proposal, so that my research could help the another academic communities such as researcher, student in identifying and generating new idea for research topic and project. And second, I hope that the government and the funder and any authorities, institution could utilize my research data for their future planning, for their planning future research and development. And finally, my team, the military player, could able to generate new tactics in according to the expanding new technology. So before I end this presentation, let's look a little bit about my timeline to complete this research paper. So I set a target to submit the chapter 1, 2, and 3 at the end of this year, and for the final report will be submitted on the early May 2022, and I will prepare for final Viva, and Viva will be on 15 June. Alright, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.